hours east of Phoenix, people can escape the desert heat and big city attractions for a cozy small town feel with 4 seasons in the White Mountains of Arizona. Take a bike excursion through the Ponderosa Pines, horseback riding through miles of scenic trails, hiking, fishing, golfing, and skiing. A little bit of outdoor fun for the entire family to enjoy. Food and unique handmade arts and crafts are also a big hit. But it's about the rich history and culture of the White Mountains that will draw people to one of the best-kept secrets in Arizona. Come visit the White Mountains of Arizona, a sweet escape for those looking for a sweet adventure.